What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the yellow screen on your POCO F6. So to fix this screen, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on display and brightness. Now in display and brightness, scroll down and here tap on reading mode, and here you will see a reading mode button. So to fix this yellow screen, tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off this button it will fix the yellow screen issue. So that's how you can fix the yellow screen on your POCO F6. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.